Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning class. In today's video, you will learn how to ask for leave in office using simple and professional English. Many people feel nervous when they talk to their manager in English. They know English words, but they don't know how to speak politely and correctly. So in this video, I will help you step by step. First, you will watch a wrong office conversation. Second, I will explain what is wrong in that conversation and how we should say it correctly. After that, you will watch the right conversation using correct office English. Finally, you will practice important sentences with me. Please watch the full video and practice with me. Now let's start. Now let me introduce the characters. Aman is an employee. He works in an office. Mr. Smith is the manager. He is a manager. Now, wants to ask for leave. First, let's see how not to speak in office English. Conversation 1, wrong English.
Aman. Hello, sir.
Mr. Smith. Yes, Aman.
I'm not feeling well.
Mr. Smith. Okay.
I am having fever.
Mr. Smith?
Aman. I will not come tomorrow.
Mr. Smith. You will not come tomorrow?
Yes, sir. I am sick from morning, so I take leave.
Mr. Smith? Okay.
Now let's stop here and understand this conversation. This English is understandable. The manager can understand them, but this is not good office English. Now let's see the mistakes one by one. Mistake 1. I am having fever. Aman said, I am having fever. This sentence is very common, but it is incorrect English. In English, we do not say, I am having fever. We say, I have a fever. Please listen carefully. I am having fever. I have a fever. This is the correct sentence. Mistake 2. I will not come tomorrow. Aman said, I will not come tomorrow. This sentence sounds very direct and rude. In office English, we should be polite. We should not sound strict. The correct sentence is, I won't be able to come in tomorrow. Please listen again. I will not come tomorrow. I won't be able to come in tomorrow. This sentence sounds professional and polite. Mistake 3. So I take leave. Third mistake. Said, so I take leave. This sentence is grammatically wrong. In office English, we request for leave politely. The correct sentences are, I'd like to take a leave, or I'd like to request a sick leave. These sentences are correct and professional. Now you understand what is wrong and how to correct it. So now let's start the right conversation using correct and professional English. Conversation 2, English.
Good morning, Mr. Smith.
Mr. Smith. Good morning, Aman. How are you?
I'm not feeling well today.
Mr. Smith. Oh, okay.
I have a fever.
Mr. Smith, I see.
I won't be able to come in tomorrow. Aman. I'd like to request a sick leave, please.
Mr. Smith. That's fine, Aman, Mr. Smith. Please take rest and keep me updated.
Amen. Thank you, sir. I will keep you informed.
Practice section. Repeat after me. Now it's time to practice. Please repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly. I'm not feeling well today. I have a fever. I won't be able to come in tomorrow. I'd like to request a sick leave. Thank you for your understanding. You can also say, I'm not feeling well today. Due to a headache, I may need to take a sick leave today. I'll resume work tomorrow. That's all for today's lesson. Practice these sentences every day. In the next video, we will learn how to tell your manager you are running late using simple English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.